That's as far as it goes.
Okay.
Right back in here, speed it up a little.
Okay.
The feel everyone has to have one body like this. You can be whalish, you can be fat, it doesn't help a bit. Everyone can have one. Go like this. Like this. That's all you need to do. Besides me.
Well, thank you very much.
And boys, and everyone, welcome back to Brenda Bodies. We have, all of us I know, if you've been trying hard, have made a lot of progress. I know I have. From the last time you saw me, I was fit and trim. Look at me now. I've never felt better. I mean, look at these. Voluptuousness, the hourglass shape. I feel great. Come on over with me to the treadmill. We'll work out. Move the garbage can out of the way. See? I've always wanted to be like this.
You hear about Andrew Brett on Trip?
The best I've felt in years. And you can look like me too. Get ready to get your pen and pencil out and call the number. You can walk. You can act like you're on a rowing machine. Sometimes that hurts though. You don't want to do that too much. You can lean back. You can look at the wall. You can look straight ahead. You can clap on the offbeat. Before you know it, you'll be just feeling like this. Everyone needs to come up and help me out. I can't take it, but it's been walking for 2 days.
It's in the
For 2
genes.
days, and you know, I looked the other day. Well, okay. Hi, I've been on Brenda Bodies workout for not even a day. And I started out a 98-pound weakling. And look at me now.
Look at the full view.
Thighs.
The thunderation of it all.
Thunderation of the thighs.
The large curd.
The tight, uplifting buttocks. And the firm stomach area. The Yates traditional chest, tightly wound with the new Brenda Bodies sport bra for jogging flexibility. The new aerobic shoes. Show you how I did it. This little doozy right here does the trick. Walking. It's good for the thigh area and the tight buttock. The trick is turning back around. That's the tricky part. What you do is a kick move. Side action. And if you get, more exhausted then, you'll develop the Yates chest area and you can rest it upon here. Just kind of rest. Just walk along like this. It does wonders. Another thing you can do, flip this unit on the ear. And take it forward.
It doesn't do a thing.
And there you have it.
Voluptuous. Brenda's home. Brenda's Bodies.
Hi.
Let's see what her daily routine would be. She's going a little,
For my nephew.
she's going a little fast for the camera right now.
Hey guys, lukewarm.
We don't want cold, we don't want boiling.
There's out of the town.
I found an old clay pipe one day in the woodshed on the sill. It's not seen before. I thought it would be nice to smoke like fall or uncomfortable. I filled it and I lit it, though it tasted rather strong. The blue smoke curled above my head, like reeds which I proudly glanced. Mammy, how sick I was. And the woodshed strangely danced. Mammy put me in my bed and fed me ginger tea. Let others smoke their pipe of will. It's not a pleasure I enjoy. I'll never smoke a pipe again as long as I'm a boy. Put one foot at a time for recording.
This is a comparison of feet.
Comparison of wicked toes.
Whose is this now?
Everyone wiggle your
Brenda?
toes. This has got a crooked
This is
toe.
Brenda's hoof with a crooked toe broken the womb.
It was. This one is very normal with a blood blister on the end of the middle toe.
Let me zoom in on that here a minute.
The blood blister?
Let's get the crooked one.
Oh.
The one that was broken the womb. Nancy's got what?
A whippy toe. Long. A long toe. That toe is way too long.
veins.
Zoom in on that.
Our dad had a couple veins too.
Andrew, see your little hoof. You got a perfect little hoof.
Hammer toe. Which one's a hammer toe? This one?
Lisa, it's got a hammer
Mine are shaped
toe.
like a duck. Look at the bottom of the
Hammer
foot.
foot that won't quit. Gonna get a top roofing for Tom Scrivens anytime. Do some hammering.
Now finally a wee size.
No,
The
mine
bottom of mine is shaped like a duck.
is relatively perfect.
The narrow heel is the wide. Kind of hairy.
How many do you have?
Look at the bottom of mine.
Narrow
Okay,
heel.
now everybody put them in.
I'm putting my good one in.
Sure does smell bad right here.
Now put your bad one in, Brenda. I don't like my bad one. I didn't have a bad one. It's best if you can all spread your
Put my
toes.
head-
It's best
my
if you
head
can do
on.
this. It's best if you can do this.
Put your other one in.